Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Saksham and today we are going to do an unboxing video of this ring light. Okay, as you can see over here, this ring light is very nice. In this box also you can see it is of 26 centimeter ring light here, as you can see, and we will be doing an unboxing video of this ring light. And if you are deciding to buy this ring light or if you have bought this ring light, then please watch this video till the end so you'll be clear about its functions and everything. So let's start. So this is the packaging of our ring light. Now let us open it. Here we get to see our ring light. So with this ring light we also get to see a mobile holder like this. It can be moved in any direction. And it is also very strong. And this is our ring light. This is the wire and the remote control. We get a USB. So we have to connect this USB to a mobile charger adapter. So this is the control box. Here are 4 different buttons for turning on and off. This is for decreasing light, and the another one is for changing the color temperature, and then another one is for increasing the light brightness. So now you might be wondering how to hold our ring light. So with this ring light we also have to buy a stand, or sometimes you also get it with the ring light. So I have brought here separately. So this is a very strong type of stand. So after attaching the ring light to the stand, it won't move here and there and it will remain stable. So now how to open this stand is, we have to first of all little bit open these legs, and then here we have to loosen this screw here. This screw we will loosen it first, and then we will push it downwards. So see, it opens so easily. Now we'll keep on pushing until it becomes perfect. So now we will attach our ring light in such a way like this. So there is also given a screw on the beside of ring light, so we can tighten it. Or you can use like this adapter. So this will make your ring light to move me any direction. So now here is given a small ball like rotatory thing, so you can attach your ring light on top of this, and you can even move it tilted sideways or any way you like, so it won't remain straight. Okay, so you can also tighten the nut after using it. So now we will attach with this extension which came along with the ring light box, and we will attach our ring light on top of it in such a way like this. Now see, the ring light can be moved in any direction. Now we will use this USB cable, and you will be connecting using a mobile charger adapter. Okay, or you can use any type of extension cable which supports USB. So here I will use this mobile charger adapter, and I will connect this and show it to you how it looks. So as soon as I plug it, it automatically turned on like you saw. See, the light is very nice and bright. So if it is dark, then it will look even more nice, but now in my studio there is already light, so you won't see it properly, I guess. So this is the on and off button which I talked about earlier, and here is also a blue light indicator which you can see to check if your cable is correctly connected or not. This is the button to decrease the brightness, so you can see in the background the light is being a bit decreased, and this is to increase the brightness, the top button. Okay, so decrease and increase both are there. You can adjust the brightness according to your settings. And then there is this middle button to change the color temperature as well. So if you press that button, then you can change the color temperature in 3 different modes. One is this pure white, and another is a bit very warm color, and next one is a little warmer color. Okay, so in a bit yellow type color. So I will show you by pressing it. Okay, so this third button is the button to change the color temperature. So you can see in the background it became a bit warmer, and then this is a little warmer, and then there will come pure white. So see, warmer, little warmer, and pure white. See, 3 different colors, right? You can notice the difference. And then if you don't want this mobile holder also, or if it is irritating you, like you want to shoot the video in a separate tripod, then you can take it out also by pulling it hardly as you can on the opposite side. Okay, so it will come off easily, and you will not have any irritating issues with the mobile holder. So now you can shoot your videos only with the ring light as well. Okay guys, I hope you like this ring light. As you can see here, this ring light adds so much glow to my face. So while clicking photos or everything, you can use this ring light. As you can see over here, this is without ring light, and this is with ring light. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is too much light, so you can use it to shoot clear photos and videos. Okay, and as you can see here, this ring light can also be moved like this everywhere. And if you like this ring light and if you want to buy this, I'll give the link in the description, so please go and check it out. And thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.